In this video, you'll see what going on a Whirlpool jet boat tour in Niagara Falls is really like, if it's for you, and why I think, if you go to Niagara Falls, you have got to do this. Okay, let's start off with tickets. For the boat I went on, tickets were about $80 for adults and $45 for kids under 12. And you have to be 44 inches tall, so if you're under 3'8", I'm sorry.
So apparently on the jet boat tour, we're getting really wet, so I put on my swim trunks and I'm set to go. I'm really excited for this. I think it's gonna be really fun.
And yes, those tickets are a bit more than some of the other casual boat tours that you can go on, but you'll see why soon. So we get there, they do a safety briefing telling us that we will get fully wet and a change of clothes is necessary. I would say you might as well just wear a swimsuit for this because where we were sitting, we got absolutely soaked. I'm so excited. We then got on life jackets they had, and I didn't put on a poncho, but I would recommend using one of their ponchos because even though it was pretty warm out, the cold water and blowing wind gets cold fast. We then boarded the boat. On the boat they have little pouches in the seats to put things like sunglasses and phones. I think they're waterproof because any loose thing you bring on has a decent chance of falling off.
Our driver looks like a high schooler.
Also, I'm not sure if they will let you, but I'd just go barefoot if we did it again because all of the water rushes by your feet after it comes in the boat, so loose footwear wouldn't be a great idea either. But you might be able to put them in the pouch in front of you. But yeah, water shoes worked great, and like sandals that strap on would work good too. But yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping now and let the video speak for itself.
Not two, but three triple diesel turbo engine. Awesome, so before we do, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to go over what's called our whitewater safety positions with you all here today. So we're going to have both feet flat on the floor. We will sit on nice and tall, and we will have both hands grabbing that metal bar in front of us. Now, ladies and gentlemen, after each and every run, I would get you all to show me a nice big thumbs up to let me know that we are having a wonderful time and we are ready to go in for another run. Now, if for any reason you have a medical emergency on board, you will show me a nice big tap on your head like so. And whenever it is safe for myself to do so, I will come up and assist you guys with whatever it is you need here today. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is your final warning before we head into our Class 5s here. If you have any hats, any sunglasses, or waterproof electronics that you do not want to lose in our Niagara River here today, you're going to put them in those black bags right in front of you. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if these items are important to you, I would highly, highly suggest putting them in those bags. Are we ready to have some fun?
Yeah, that was awesome. I mean, it was the most fun I had while we were in Niagara Falls, and I think just about anybody could do this. If you want some adrenaline and just a great time, I definitely think going on a jet boat tour is worth your money. Also, just book the open top. It's more fun to get wet.